Today we're gonna do the Angry Bird race. So Poppy's choosing Terence and Bob, and I'm having Pig and Red. So let's open up. So I've got Pig and Red, and I got
Terence
and Bob.
Okay, so whoever wins the first race gets to open a blind bag.
Yeah, so we're gonna have 4 rounds.
Okay, yeah, so pick one first. So you're having Terence to start off with, Pops? Yeah. Who are you picking to go with first, Alf? Pig. Okay, so start this side. Okay, on 3, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was super fast. Did they both win, did they? Blind bag, okay.
But I'm going faster because yours is fast.
Okay, so what blind bags do you got to open, guys?
I've got Angry Birds, Star Wars, and I got Hatchmore Collectible.
Okay, guys.
So let's see who we've got. We set the bag open. Oh, I'm hoping for R2D2. Oh, I wanted this one too.
Cool. What's he called?
Let's see. Let's see. His name is Han Solo Bird.
Han Solo Bird. Cool. Okay, let's see what Hatchmore Collectible Poppy's got.
That's easy. There's the heart.
Okay, so Poppy's got a purple speckled egg.
Like the heart.
Okay.
So we're going to see who Poppy's got. Move that to the side.
Okay, so that's red, now it's gone pink. Here you go, Pops.
So who have we got? A tiger. Is it a duplicate? No, tiger. Real baby tiger. With blue whiskers. Yeah. So let's see if you can get them out.
Ooh. Let's see, Pops.
Show the camera.
Oh, that's a sweet
all the
one.
viewers who love our videos.
A little tiger with sparkly wings. Oh, cute, Pops. Do you like that one? Cool. Okay. Shall we do race number 2?
Yes.
Okay. So which birds are you using next?
Oh. So he's got Bob.
So who's next, Poppy? You're going to use Bomb next, and Alfie's going to use Red. Okay. On your marks, get set, go!
Red wins!
Oh!
Red wins!
Do you think Red won that one?
No. So we're going to try that again, guys. So we're going to... Round 2.
Round 2. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think Bomb won that one.
Yeah, Bomb.
Bomb won that one, I think.
That one.
Okay, it's alright, you can both open a blind bag. Here you go. 1 each. So that, what have you got this to turn, guys?
I've got Fungus Among Us.
Poppy?
And I got Angry Bird Kitchen.
Okay.
So I'm going to see who I've got. Ooh, I got thank you. I have thank you.
You got the same as Alfie? Oh, cool. So we had a couple of duplicates on there.
Open this.
Yeah.
So we're going to open the Fungus Among Us. And I got things Alfie.
Oh, cool, Pops.
Ooh, I think we've got a glow in the dark, maybe.
Oh yeah, some of them do glow in the dark, don't they?
Yeah.
So you've got a glow in the dark Fungus Among Us. Let's have a little look. Oh, these things are super squishy.
Like a pencil.
Ooh.
That looks
And
like
sticky.
A pencil. That is. Wait, let's see.
Let's see the other one you got, Alf. And this was the other little yellow one Alfie got. Ugh.
So I've got Bubbles and Crud Nugget.
Crud Nugget, cool.
We'd like to say thank you for giving us lots of past 100 subscribers. Thank you guys who's watching all these. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.